All right, guys, so check this out. Just finished up this beautiful place right here. Got this awesome louvered roof. I'm gonna take you a walk. Got the patio. Did a little retaining wall down the hill there. Designed this here to put in the spa. Got this awesome swim spa. Integrated into the deck, you walk up. Got the cool louvered roof. Custom privacy walls. One of our signatures right there. How nice is this at sunset? Curved out there. Got your swim spa set up. How cool is this? And if it's not a beautiful sunny day, all you need to do is close the roof. Bam, you're all set. Nice and dry.